Yeah, Charlie. Yeah, welcome to my YouTube channel. The name still remain the same. I'm Kenny Rhymes, RGM baby. Yeah, I know I've been out of the system for a while. It wasn't my fault. I was sick, but thank God and thanks to my fans, I'm back alive. Yeah, so the name still remain the same. I'm Kenny Rhymes. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. On today's episode I want to show you how much YouTube pays me for my 100 views. Yeah, I want to show you 100 views, how YouTube pay me for 100 views. Yeah, because a lot of people have been asking me, yo, Kenny, so how much do YouTube pays for 100 views, for 1,000 views, for 1,000,000 views, for 100,000 views? So I want to start from 100 views, how much YouTube pays me for 100 views. So no time to waste, we'll jump on my phone screen. I wanted to use my PC, but let's jump on my phone screen so that it can be simple. So let's jump on my phone screen and let me show you how much YouTube pays me for 100 views. Whether it's on a huge amount, low amount, or medium amount. Yeah, follow me and let's see how much YouTube pays me for 100 views. Yeah, but before we jump on my screen, please don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to follow me on all social media. The name still remains the same, Kenny Rhymes, KINNYRHYMEZ. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Kenny Rhymes. Yeah, because we have a lot to discuss and a lot to share. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share my YouTube videos. Yeah, so join me on my screen and let me show you how much YouTube pays me for my 100 views. Let's go. Jump straight to my YouTube studio. Yeah, so we are my YouTube studio. Yeah, this is my YouTube studio. Yeah, so I want to show you how much YouTube pay me for 100 views. Yeah, so let's click here. Yeah, so I made this tutorial concerning how to make beats for Burna Boy and Kizana and Black Sheriff in FL Studio 20. Yeah, so let me show you how much YouTube pays me for getting 174 views. Yeah, so this is how much YouTube pays me for 176 views. They paid me $15.98, and it's not a small amount. Yeah, it's not a small amount. It's cool. Yeah, and a lot of my audience were from Sierra Leone. Yeah, Sierra Leone. A lot of my audience from Sierra Leone, and yeah, from Sierra Leone. Yeah, so I got 174 views, 11.3 watch hours, and I got extra 4 subscribers, and I got 15.98. And when you see here, you see that a lot of people watched the tutorial from the beginning to the end. That's why I got that amount of the money. Yeah, that amount of money. So I think that's all. So that's how much to pay me for 15.98 174 views. They paid me $15.98. So thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. The name still remains the same. I'm Kenny Rhymes, and I'm out.